Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. I decided to make up a simple recipe that came out ever so good. Some caramelized chicken. The chicken is tender, the sauce is fantastic. Serve it over rice or potatoes. You're simply going to love it. Great for the holiday season or a party of any kind. So let me show you how to do this. Alrighty then, let's start with half a cup of brown sugar into a pan over medium-high heat. Then throw in a tablespoon of H2O or water. And then I'm just going to stir this around until it begins to caramelize, and I just love this process. And what you're going to find is everything's going to change to a dark, rich, thick consistency as it begins to caramelize. I just find something fascinating about caramelization. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird. Now we're beginning to caramelize up here. I am going in with about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And you can use breasts or other chicken parts if you wish. I just decided to go with the thighs. I like thighs a lot better. You got that little bit of fat on there, which makes them so juicy and yummy. And I could also use bone in. I decided to go with boneless because I wanted to be extravagant, had a little bit of money and be lazy. Anyway, we're just going to stir this around and cook it over medium-high heat, and that caramelized sugar begins to coat that chicken, and the world just begins to look bright, shiny, and good. Of course, as we cook, we have to go in with 3 cloves of chopped garlic. I just have to have garlic. I don't think I'm addicted. I might have to go to GA, Garlic's Anonymous. Now we're going in with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and you don't have to use fish sauce. You can go ahead and use soy sauce or something like that. About a teaspoon or 2 of the old ground black pepper, and I'm not using salt because I did use fish sauce, and if you use soy sauce, you don't need salt anyway. And you may ask, Dave, why did he use fish sauce? Well, somebody suggested it, thought I'd try it, but I wish I had to use soy sauce. So there you go. Of course, we're going to continue to stir this around. Now, see that sugar really starting to bubble away there, guys? So the caramelization is coming right along. Now things are beginning to cook up, and we're continuing to caramelize, and the world is looking pretty good from where I stand. Alrighty then, let's go in with half a cup of chicken stock. Now we'll just lower the heat and let this simmer away over medium-low heat for about 30 minutes or so. So go read a book, have some fun, have a nap, whatever you want to do. And of course, every once in a while you want to come back and check on that chicken and maybe give it a flippy dippy over just so it cooks evenly on all sides. But it's looking good and smelling so great. Alrighty guys, after about 25 minutes, look how that magic of caramelization has happened, and it's just looking gorgeous, and it is going to be so good. So we'll just go ahead and kill the heat. Of course, I'm going to serve this up over a bowl of hot rice. This is just jasmine, but you can use the rice of your choice. You could even use taters too, or just have it as is. And you know me, we just have to throw some chopped green onions over the top for some colorization and, a little bit of extra flavor. Of course, you simply have to pour some more of that sauce that's gathered in the bottom, that wonderful caramelized sugar over top of the chicken. Oh, so good. But there you pretty much have it, guys. Our simple and easy caramelized chicken. It doesn't get much easier. And you bite into this, guys. It is simply beyond belief that caramelized sugar is just fantastic, and it's not really that sweet. The chicken is tender. Oh, just so great. You are simply going to love this. And if you do, drop a comment below. Leave us a like because it does help the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.